Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to create a QR code in the Line application using your smartphone. Line application makes it really simple to create and share your QR code with friends, family, or co-workers. Instead of typing username or phone numbers, people can just scan your QR code and connect instantly. So to create a QR code in the Line app, launch open the Line application on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. From the home page of Line, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon at the top right, and then from your profile section, go to the top of the screen and look for the QR icon, tap on it, and you'll be able to see your QR code generated. Line will automatically generate your personal QR code. If you want to generate a new QR code, you can also do that from the same page. Simply tap on Regenerate at the bottom and click on OK. If you generate a new QR code, your existing QR code and invite link will no longer be valid, so tap on OK and this will create a new QR code and invitation link. Now you can show the QR code for someone to scan directly, save it on your phone by tapping the Save button, or share it through messages or social media. When someone scans this QR code, they can quickly add you as a friend in Line. So that's how it's super easily done. It takes only few seconds to create your QR code and connect with people much easier. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.